I'm Andy. In today's video, I'm resetting my old Nokia Lumia 520 phone. The full reset takes around 18 minutes, so I have sped things up and I will only show the key moments in real time. Let's get started. I scroll down to the settings menu, open it, then continue scrolling until I find the About menu and open it. In the More Info menu, you can check the phone model, whether it is locked to a specific carrier, the operating system version, firmware version, screen resolution, and the MAC and IMEI numbers. I scroll down to the Reset Your Phone menu and click on it. A warning message pops up. Resetting your phone will erase all your personal content, including apps, games, pictures, music, and videos, and will restore the factory settings. Do you want to continue? And I click on the yes. It asks me again. Are you sure you want to erase all your personal content from your phone? I click yes. The phone restarts and begins the factory reset process. The factory reset process is finished. Now I need to go through the initial setup process. If this video was useful to you and do you want to reward me with a cup of coffee, you can do it by clicking on the link in the description, select one cup and click on the support button. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.